Welcome back to Bubba's Culinary Creations. Today we're making chicken. We're going to take a chicken boob and pan sear it, kind of like our steak. If you haven't checked that out yet, please do so. And I'm going to show you how we do it right now. Alright, today we're keeping it simple again. We're going in with that kosher salt and that fresh cracked black pepper. Alright guys, in with our oil, and we'll let that pan get up to temperature. So once it's up to temp, we're going in with that chicken. And of course, one for my wife. After about 5 to 7 minutes, this is what we're looking like. Oh yeah, watch this. Oh man. We're going in with garlic and thyme today. And once we put that in there, we're going in with that butter, because you know we're going to make a butter bath. Oh man, guys, this is going to be so good. Also, I just want to take a minute to remind you, if you like what you're seeing here, give this channel some support. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe. Tell all your friends. Also, I will be posting new videos each and every week, so stay tuned for that. Oh, just look at the color. Guys, it smells amazing. We're looking for 165. I did happen to go over a little bit here, but that's okay, because we're going to make this beautiful, rich, buttery pan sauce to keep that chicken nice and moist. And I know you love that word. And with our sauce, we're going with onion and minced garlic. And again, like our steak video, and if you haven't checked it out yet, please do so. And we're going to stir this baby around until it gets fragrant. And then we're going to go in with some white wine. And today I'm using a Chardonnay. And we want this guy to reduce to about half. Once that's done, we're going in with chicken stock instead of beef. Let that reduce to about half as well. And then we'll go in with that tomato paste. Once that's reduced, in with the butter, kill the heat. And again, we're using cold butter because we want that to slowly emulsify into the sauce. Oh man, this is gonna be so good. I'm all about grilled chicken, but if you haven't just pan seared a chicken with a sauce like this, you gotta try it. Now let's dress up that chicken. And I know you want to bite, because I do.